Nora, Ava, let Nora climb up there now.
Not yet.
Yeah, what's wrong with that kid? I think we need to do an exorcism. Hey, Nora, you're messing him up.
But this has to be.
Okay, don't worry, I'll get it. No, Ava, get up. Ava, get off.
Ava Jean.
Ava Jean. I'm gonna spank your butt in a minute.
Yeah, you're gonna get in trouble. Off,
Did you
let
go
Daddy fix
potties?
it. Yeah, she did.
Did you gotta go poopies?
Oh,
No, I don't think she'll poop when she has underwear on.
Okay, excuse me.
Yep, go ahead. Go ahead. Hey, Ava.
Kevin, careful, because you don't know what you never know what she's gonna do.
No, Nora, Ava's turn.
Careful.
I am.
Just like,
Come on, get up there, Ava. Ava, get up there. Come on, jump on there. Get up there, Ava. All right, there you go. All right, Nora's turn.
But there's a step right there. Now it's my turn.
What time is it?
28.
Come on. Jump, Ava, jump. Oh, shoot.
My turn.
Nora's turn.